I've just been tagged in the Filipino tag game! Okay, so first off, thanks to Black Nurse, 3304, Asian Conqueror, and especially Gentos, the Fresh Maker, for starting this tag game. Alright, so in this game I'm gonna answer 5 questions. Question number 1, let's go.
When was the last time you were in the Philippines?
Well, if you really want to know, the last time I was in the Philippines was way back in 2002 when we left for the US. I've been away from the Philippines 6 years now and I can't wait to get back.
Name one Filipino dish you enjoyed the most and why.
Well, if you really want to know, of course I like sinigang, kare-kare, chicken adobo, and pasta something. You know, that dark, sticky, sweet, aromatic meat. Oh, yum, 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 yum. I like meat, especially when it's covered in sauce. And in sinigang, I like it when it's like submerged in this soury soup base. So basically, these dishes are like the best combinations with rice. At least for me. Yum, 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 yum. But since it's so hot here in California lately, I like eating halo halo. Yum, 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 yum. It's got beans, jelly, boba, sugar, shaved ice, jackfruit, milk, ice cream, leche flan, and ube. Man, what are you gonna ask for? You gotta have some of it. Yum, 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 yum.
Name one Filipino household item that best resembles our culture.
Well, if you really want to know, that's really pretty hard to answer.
Is it the tabo and timba, the walis tambo, the dreaded chinelas, the rice cooker, the staple condiments toyo, suka, patis, and bagoong?
I don't think so. See, we Filipinos, we're friendly to the environment, so we know how to recycle. And that's about it. I mean, if you're a true Filipino, you gotta have the Skyflakes can. But it can also be other stuff like an ice cream container, or even a Jollibee Chicken Joy bucket. Jollibee. What was you saying? We know how to recycle, but we don't really know how to reuse.
Do you know how to speak in Tagalog? If so, say a phrase or two.
Well, if you really want to know, yes, I do speak in Tagalog. Jeez, man, I have only been here for 6 years. Remember? But as my parents told me, English was actually the first language that I learned, and they even blamed my babysitter when I learned how to speak in Tagalog. Oh well, I guess they realized that I'm gonna learn how to speak it, given the fact that I live in the Philippines. So yeah, nakapag-Tagalog ako. Ano, may aral ka? Ha? Huh? Huh?
Which part of the Philippines are you from?
Well, if you really want to know, I'm from Cavite. Yup, that's where I lived for most of my life. But I was actually born in Manila, and I lived there for 4 years. My parents are from Ilocos Norte, so back then we would regularly visit our relatives there. Our place there is mostly in the farm, and just thinking about it, oh man, the smell of fresh manure, pigs rolling in the mud, chickens running everywhere, the carabaos always in the field, and when we eat, there's always like fresh picked veggies and eggs, and they have this goat that is slaughtered before your eyes. Oh my gosh, man! And when the night falls, it's so pitch dark and it's so quiet. It's like a little sanctuary from the bustling, polluted city. Man, I love it there.
So, who are you going to tag?
Well, if you really want to know, I'm gonna tag El Mangi or El Mangi. Yeah, I'm tagging you. She has cool videos. Miss Japanese chick. Yep, she's funny and talented. Check her out. Mark is here. He's like the genius interviewer of the coolest people in YouTube, even though I think they don't know that he's interviewing them. Justin! Yep, I'm tagging you, because I think you're going to be big one day in YouTube, just like me. Plus, I also would like to tag a couple of other people. They're like really up the ladder here in the YouTube community. First off is Mr. Gunnarola, the creator of To My Internet Lover, and his vlogs are also very cool, so check him out and subscribe to him. The man from Down Under, Mr. Johnny Pixel 7, the girl that made me nuts about Nutella and thinking of 2 girls in 1 cup while eating it, Miss Natalie, Nat the Flip, and the other Natalie, Miss Andy Titan Lady. And of course, if I tag Miss Andy Titan Lady, I'm also gonna tag Lion Galley and Ninja Drop. Yep. And what kind of Filipino would I be if I didn't tag the queen of Filipinos in YouTube, Miss Christine, aka Happy Flip? Yes, I would like you guys to respond to this video and make your Filipino tag games. Alright? Peace.
With that entourage. Or maybe you'd like to try something a little more popular. How about some of that deep-fried tilapia? Man, our food is going on. Can you pass that vinegar on? Here you go. I know you heard that food tastes so nice, especially with 2 scoops of rice. What are you talking about? Oh man, now my point is all lost. Forget this, I'm off to Goldilocks.